Hi, my name is Lee Sheilds. I'm a tax partner with Friedman LLP located in Marlton, New Jersey. We are the kind of firm which handles pretty much any size companies, businesses that are out there. Getting good, accurate data, books and records from clients is an integral part of the tax return process. So anytime I can work with Capri Bookkeeping, Ethan and his team, it absolutely adds great value to my relationship with my clients. So we always look for those opportunities. Many times clients are at a point in their business career where they don't have the ability to maybe bring in accounting personnel to handle their books and records, so they reach out to a company like Ethan's. His team is absolutely amazing with the experience that they have. They will assist clients in getting their books and records into a position where they can then turn them over to myself and we can start the tax return process. Anytime I'm lucky enough to meet with a new client or start a new relationship, I'm always looking for that opportunity to introduce Ethan and his team, knowing that if I can get them in there, they'll add value and make my client's life easier and obviously the part of the tax return process as well.